Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I'm back again on the YouTube grind. But shout out to AUKEY for plugging me with this Basics Pro Series power bank here with 20,000 milliamp hours. I'm really hyped about this one. It got Quick Charge 3.0 in here, and the most exciting feature I have for this is that it has a kickstand built into it. So I really want to see what's up with that. Let's go and see if this thing lives up to its expectations. So, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so we're back here at the legendary unboxing table, as always. Like, what changed here? But now it's time we go ahead and check out this portable charger that I'm really hyped about. So again, shout out to AUKEY for sending this out to me, so they're the plug on this. But yeah, so just here for the packaging, we got AUKEY Basics Pro Series, so that's the name of the portable charger. 20,000 milliamp hour wireless charging power bank with power delivery 3.0 and Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. We got the portable charger itself, so as you can see here, we got the AUKEY logo, and that's where we can put our phone at, and then you just stand it up like that. So that's really dope. But just looking around the box, it's pretty simple, so nothing really up on here. But you know what we gotta do? Let's go and crack it to the box. I think all we gotta do is just take off this plastic wrapping here at the top, and then we should be good. So yeah, that's all I had to do, and it's actually a green box as you can see here. So it says go green with AUKEY. But busting into this box, here we go. So let's go ahead and lift this up, and then we got a user manual, but you know what we do with that. We throw it to the side. We got our AUKEY care here, so we actually got 6 more months of warranty coverage, so that's pretty nice too. I'm gonna keep that to the side. And then as you can see here, we got the portable charger. So let's go and bust this out of here, and there you go. So it's actually pretty slim for a 20,000 milliamp hour charger. Comparing this to my Samsung, as you can see here, these two sizes really ain't that different, and you actually have double the battery capacity in this, so like that's amazing. And it's actually the same thing on my older Samsung portable charger here. So as you can see, we actually have double the battery capacity, and like it's not even that much bigger. But the fact that it's the same size as my old portable charger and you have way more battery capacity in here, like that's really clutch. Now of course, if I hold these two side by side, the AUKEY is going to be heavier than my Samsung wireless charger portable battery, but at the same time, it's not that much heavy. So I think they did a really good job with the weight management and the actual size of the portable charger footprint overall. Anyways, just looking around this, we actually have the AUKEY logo, we have the Thunderbolt here, so you can go ahead and fast wireless charge your phone right there. At the top, you got the Quick Charge 3.0 for your USB-A, and then you also got a PD in and out, so you can actually go and charge your phone with this USB-C port. This right here is actually where our LEDs is going to be, so if I go and press this power button right here, as you can see, it's going to show that I got 80% right here. So I do like how we get the exact percentage right here, because as you can see, we only have 4 lights here on the Samsung ones. Obviously, as you can see here, that's our power button, so that's how you go and charge your phone, and then you go and start the wireless charging. And then on the back, you can see here that we got all this info here, like 20,000 milliamp hours and the model number and all that stuff, and then we also got the stand, of course. And for those wondering, that's what the reminder says if you care. Looking in the rest of the box, this is all we really got left, so it's actually green like the AUKEY logo, I think, so that's really nice. But you're gonna get USB-A to USB-C, and it's a pretty short cord, so yeah, that's that. Now here's the downside. All of this feels plastic here. None of this really feels aluminum, so I will go and update y'all here in the video if I'm wrong, but this does feel plastic. On the Samsung portable chargers, obviously, besides this part right here where it's all rubber where you need to wireless charge your phone, it's all metal here, so it's a really nice build quality. So now at this point, you just go ahead and kick this out of here if you want to, so you can go and prop your phone up on that. And then we'll actually go ahead and get this kickstand out of here and go and prop up my phone on that. And as soon as you hear that click, that's when you know you're ready to go. And look at this, as you can see here, it's pretty flexible, so it's not really gonna break that easy. So that's the max angle you're gonna get, but I can go ahead and open up my Galaxy Fold here and prop it up here on this wireless charger to see if it holds up, and it looks like it does. So that's gonna be dope for YouTube videos, as you can see here. So I'm gonna go and turn that on, and I actually got to put the phone this way because that's how wireless chargers, and as you can see there, it's wireless charger right now. So I don't gotta worry about it or anything. All I gotta do is just prop up my phone right there, it's wireless charging, and I can just watch my videos like how I want to. I don't know what company thought of this feature, it could have been AUKEY or what, but man, Samsung, you gotta step up your game because this is dope. So I could be at a library or a coffee shop, for example, and if I want to go and just watch YouTube real quick and just relax, I can do that. And if my phone's getting low, I can charge at the same time. So I just go and turn this thing on, I go and put the phone right there, and as you can see, now it's wireless charging again. And if I actually go and close this thing real quick, let me go and show you the stats on here. So I'm gonna go and show you that it's fast wireless charging right there. So it is at 17%, but it's fast wireless charging right now. We got 2 hours and 32 minutes left. So it sounds pretty much accurate with my wireless charger dual. Now with my Galaxy Fold and this portable charger, like obviously it's a pretty thick setup, so you're really not gonna get around that. But that's where I can go and use that stand and just watch my YouTube videos or whatever. And now let's go and do a charge test with everything here. So I got my phone wireless charger here on the portable charger. charger, and then I also got my OnePlus Nord USB-A to USB-C charger. And from my knowledge, when you actually got everything on here, it's still gonna fast wireless charge all your devices. So that is really clutch. Now let me go and plug in my OnePlus Nord, and as you can see there, it is now charging. Now it only says 42%. I'm not really seeing that says fast wireless charging, so let's go and take this phone off of here and let's try that again. And giving that a second shot, let's go and see real quick, and there we go. We're still not getting nothing, so I don't know if that's compatible with OnePlus. And now let's go and plug in the Pixel 2 while these two are still charging right here. So as you can see, it does say charging rapidly, and then actually have to restart the charging on both of these phones. So all of these phones are charging right now, but if I want to go and stop the charger for all of these and then just turn off the whole portable charger, all I gotta do is just double click the same button I did to turn all these on. And as you can see here, none of these are charging right now. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much all I got for the AUKEY Basics Pro wireless charger for today. Now, first impressions with this, like I'm really impressed with this. This is gonna be my new favorite wireless charger. This is gonna be my main one. So far, this is getting my Jennings stamp of approval. And as you can see here, this thing actually costs 46 bucks, and I can save 10% when I apply a coupon. $46 for that. That's actually a really good deal. Like, this costs more than that, and the other one did too. The only real major drawback that I found with this so far is that it has no pass-through charging. So, okay, Latrell, what even is that? So pass-through charging is basically when you plug in your portable charger and you want to charge your devices off this charger itself, whether that's to save on outlets, or you ran out, or you need another wireless charger, or whatever. So it looks like this doesn't support that, which is really sad because it looks like it's about to work at first when you plug in your wireless charger and you try wireless charging your phone or whatever, but then I just see my portable charger just completely cut off and restart and cut off the charging process for my devices in the process. So yeah, that is an advantage that Samsung has here, so if that's important to you, then keep that in mind. Me personally, yeah, I do really appreciate that feature and I use it all the time, so I'm really hoping that AUKEY brings it to the newer version of this. Whenever that newer version comes out, I don't really know, but AUKEY, you should really hop on top of that. But let me get out of here, y'all, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really like it, go and subscribe, but go and follow me on my social media at eSendTech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. But yeah, it's not hot or anything, it's feeling perfectly fine, so I have no issues with this so far. I will update y'all if I do have issues and just update y'all in general and like how I feel about this. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, and peace out.